In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add schema markup in rank math. By the end, you'll have a clean setup that helps search engines, understand your content, and may improve how your pages appear in search with rich results. Start in your WordPress dashboard. Open Rank Math SEO, then select Dashboard. Look for the schema, also called Structured Data, module, and make sure it's activated. Turning this on unlocks all of Rank Math's schema features across your site. If you're using a caching plugin, it's a good idea to clear your cache after enabling it so the options load correctly everywhere. Next, set a default schema type so Rank Math can automatically apply structured data to new content. Go to Rank Math SEO, then Titles and Meta. Open the Post Types tab and choose the content type you want to configure, like posts or pages. Find the Schema Type dropdown. Pick a default that fits the content on that post type. Article is a strong choice for blog posts, while web page works well for general pages that aren't articles or products. Save your changes. From now on, items of that type will inherit this schema automatically, which keeps things consistent and saves you time. When you need to fine-tune a specific piece of content, customize the schema directly on that post or page. Edit the post or page in WordPress. In the editor, open the Rank Math SEO panel by clicking the Rank Math icon in Gutenberg. Go to the Schema tab and click Schema Generator. Choose the schema that best matches what you're publishing, such as article, FAQ, or product. Fill in the fields with accurate details. Think headline, description, author, date, and, if relevant, ratings or review information. Keep the information truthful and consistent with what appears on the page itself. When you're finished, click Save for this post, then Update or Publish to apply your changes. If you need more than one schema on a single page, add them from the generator and make sure the primary schema reflects the main purpose of the page. To recap, activate the schema module, set a sensible default per post type, and override the defaults on individual posts or pages using the schema generator when you need something more specific. Keep your fields complete, avoid marking up content users can't see, and keep your schema aligned with the page's real content. That's all you need to add schema markup in Rank Math with a reliable, scalable workflow.